Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. I'm kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. A little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. See my girls be shine. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip.
What's good? It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, 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 ayy. Cherish, 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 ayy. Ain't no stopping when you pop in. And I'm back with another video. So today's look, just want to show you a simple little style. For all the people out there who, you know, have edge problems, this is a cute little style where you can camouflage them, okay? Because, you know, I've been having little edge problems since I was a kid. And,
I was too.
yeah, get out. Get out. My daughter won't let me be great. It's okay. No, she didn't just blow. This girl's too grown. I've been having edge problems since I was a kid, but you know what? I learned how to do what it do with what I got, make it do what it do. Okay, sis? So, anyways, yeah. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. Yes, sis, I'm looking a mess. So what? But the process is gonna be cute, so don't even worry about it. So right now I'm just combing it out. Yes. Ew, nappy. Just looking at this, just making my head hurt because it's so nappy. But anyways, yeah, so I put my curl cream on. Yes, I love this cream. It makes my hair super soft. Okay, so I use my handy dandy pick because it was so nappy from being curly that I just use that and it's easier to part. I just do the best I can because I don't know what's going on in the back. Not even trying to, just trying to show you guys a quick little style. For all the ladies that have edge tension problems, alopecia, it's easier when you slick it high up to camouflage it. That's what I do. I'm all about camouflaging, camouflage queen. I bet you didn't know. Now you know. Oh, this right here is my growth oil. I put that on my hair as well. It makes my hair feel good and it smells good too. Yep. So I just keep putting it in my hair. Make sure it's all in there. I'm all for lubrication, no dry hair. Now I just have my gel, just using gel, and my hard brush. This brush is really good. Yep. So I usually like put it in the bun first, put both of them in the bun, and then like I'll do the baby hairs after. Like I like to do it at the end. I don't know if you guys like to. Comment below if you guys like to do it in the beginning or at the end. Your baby hairs. So now I'm just gonna, you know, comb my fingers through it, and I'm gonna do a twist, wrap it around, and do my little Mickey Mouse. Cute. Now I do mine tight because it's just the way I like it, but I wouldn't recommend if you already have like edge problems to do it tight because we don't want to pull out no more hair. We want to keep our hair. So now I'm just doing the other side. Trying to smooth it out because it's still kind of curly. Smooth it. So I usually like to use these ponytail holders that are for medium style hair. Not the thick ones, but they feel real good on my hair, and they don't pull on my hair. They're super soft and super stretchy, and they don't break like all the other ones do. It's so annoying when the ponytail holders just break. It's so annoying. But yeah, these are good. I got them from like a local little dollar store. So now I'm about to swoop these edges, girl. And it's really hard. It's harder than you think to slick it looking through a camera. Like, it's really hard. But I'm gonna do it too. Ooh, she coming together. She coming together. Yes. So I'm swooping and swooping and swooping. She cute. So, yep, that's what I do. And I like to use 24-hour edge by Ebin. It's pretty good. It's really good edge control. Have me looking cute, laying it down. It doesn't turn white like most edge controls, and it's real light, and it's kind of greasy, like not too greasy, but like kind of greasy. So yeah, I had to put them glasses back on, girl, because I couldn't see. I had to see what was going on with them edges. Camouflage queen. So I gotta swoop, and make sure you barely can tell that I'm having edge problems. But yeah, so that's what I do. It'll take a little time for me to try to get it together, but we got this. So, fun fact, back in the day, I used to use a toothbrush, not a used toothbrush, just a toothbrush I got out of the pack. And I'm so happy that they brought these out. This is so amazing. Like, they even got the little tooth comb at the end. It's bomb, just bomb. Way better than my little toothbrush. Lovelies, she is ready. She is ready. Yes, yes, queen, she's ready. Simple, easy, cute style. Gotta take the glasses off, okay? She coming together. Oh, girl, you popping? Yes. So there you have it. Quick little easy style. You can still look cute any age. I'm 29, look 12. But anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to this channel. And have a lovely day. Peace.